So we can begin to compare them now. So we can go further to say, based on people in this particular class, can we look further to say, based on their gender, what is the survival rate? So we'll copy this and paste here, and then we'll bring gender into this. So what we can see here is, in the high class, a lot of the females survived in the high class, only few of them died. When it comes to the middle class, it reduced from 96 to 88%. And when it comes to the low class, it reduced up to 49%. So you can see that drop in the survival rate as you go down the class. So there is a relationship between gender and survival rate. So let's explore this further. So what we have here, if you go to so this is the high class, you see a lot of female survived, and when we get to the middle class, it dropped a little, then it dropped seriously in the low class, even lower. So this is the only point where it goes lower than even the number of deaths went higher compared to the number of those that survived. And for the male part, now in the first class, which is the high class, a lot of the males still died. A lot of the males did not survive. But as we check also, it dropped. And when we get to the middle class, the number of deaths increased, the number of survival reduced even further. And when we get to the low class, the number of deaths even increased further, and then the number of females. So we can analyze this further to say that yes, in the first class, we had a lot of persons that survived compared to the number of persons that did not survive. But even the 61% that survived in the first class, the 61% that survived in first class, that is this 61%, that 95% of them are females. So the survival rate in this first class, we still have female, more of the female. So even the male in the first class did not survive compared to the number of females that survived in the first class. Okay, we can also compare this further to say, based on the class, we can look at the class and the age. So we can see here clearly that the person that is between the age of 80 and 89 was in the first class. That's why the person survived. That's one of the reasons. Even those in the first class, it's people between the age of 10 and 19 that survived more. Those between 70 and 79 did not survive. So when we come to the middle class, we can look at the middle class too. Everybody between 70 and 79 years, not one survived. Between 0 and 9, they all survived. So children were asked to go first. That's the theory. What we have been able to do is to go through what is exploratory data analysis, what is statistics, and how to handle missing values, and how to go in depth into your data to discover insights. With these different charts, you can create a dashboard and do a report on this particular data. Thank you very much.